Good morning viewers. In today's video I will talk about the hiring process of document controller, what kind of questions you will be asked as a candidate and how you can answer these questions so you can be successful in that particular interview. The first thing is always from your side, you submit an application by email or by applying on Indeed or LinkedIn, etc. But always make sure that you include cover letter because this is very important. Cover letter give first impression. If you have included very good cover letter, the chances are you will be shortlisted. When you get shortlisted, interviewer call you, and this call is normally an introductory call. They will ask you about your past experience, about your education, and how much time you are going to take to join this job. If you get successful in this call, they will ask you for on-site interview. They will call you in their office, send you location, and also the person who is going to take your interview. Any document controller interview has three parts. The first part is introductory part, second part is technical part of interview, third part is test. And after that, if you get successful, they will ask you about the salary negotiation. So let's talk about introductory part. In introductory part, they will ask the questions like, tell me about yourself. Detailed answer I have already given in my YouTube video. You can search this topic and you will get very comprehensive video how you can answer this question. After that, they can ask you the question like, tell us three words which describe you very good. So this also you can search on my YouTube channel. The third question in introductory part of interview, they can ask you that why we hire you, what are the qualities you have. So this is normally the introductory part of an interview of document controller. The second part is technical part, in which they will ask you technical kind of questions like, what is the core responsibility of document controller. So the core responsibility of document controller is to receive document, to issue document, to save document, scan document, copy document. These kind of activities are you have to do. So this is your core responsibility. Again, they can ask you, tell us the daily activities of document controller. So you can ask them that as a document controller, I have to receive the documents, I have to present the document to document our manager, he will make distribution, I have to make copy and distribute the document. On issuing side, I have to create document transmitters like shorthand transmitter, material submitter, document submitter, and all other submitter I have to create with the help of the engineers or the relevant person. I have to take signature of project manager and issue to consultant or client for approval. So this is the issuing side of document. Then I have to maintain the log. I have to do the logging because this is very important. This is also core aspect of document control work. Then I have to take care of the site stationaries, pantry on site, other emails drafting, letter drafting as per the project managers, and this kind of thing I have to do. So this is your technical interview part. Then they will take you to a test for document controller interview, test part of document controller interview. In this part, there will be two things. First thing, they will give you an Excel format which may include formulas. You have to create same Excel format with that formula. What kind of formulas normally are in that format? Count if and count all. You can watch my video regarding this. Detailed video is there, so you can watch about this and learn. The second part, they will give you a situation and ask you that this is the situation from the consultant or any contractor side. Like they will ask you that we have to give warning to like interior design contractors, he is delaying work on site. So what, how you will write this letter? So you in particular respect you will have to draft a letter to that ID designer. How you can draft, if you have experience you can do it within 2 or 3 months. So you will draft that letter and give it to them, or any report or any presentation they can give it to you. So this is your yeah, test part of an interview. So this interview is finished.